Birmingham GT RCs, we're here guys, and as you can see, that's right, we got the Wltoys 144001 on the telly. Looking good. 60 mile an hour, 1/14 scale. Yeah, that's right guys, and you know what, we're going to turn this into another little speed demon. But first, before we do any of that, let's have a look at the buggy. Let's get it unboxed. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's keep it nice and simple, yeah? That's right. Ready to go. You've seen the controller. Basic functions. Don't need to say much on it. Car, guys. Well, first impressions, very impressed. Very impressed. Few things caught my attention, but that'll be for a later video. I just wanted to stick this one out so you guys can see what's coming. We're going to do some runs, guys, stock runs and all kinds and upgrades, and I've got a lot of stuff coming for this car, guys, so you're going to see a little bit from this, so stay tuned and throw me some ideas on what you'd like to see me do with it. And this, well, I'll give it a run, but I'm not going to work with it. I'm going to use my Sky controller with it. I've already got a lot of parts ordered. As you can see, I've got the GPS already strapped on the back. Batteries are all charged. We're ready to go, guys. We're going to take it out. We're going to do a run on 2S that it comes stock with. Then we're going to do a run with my 2S LiPo here. I'll show you that. There you go. And let's grab the 3S over here, as you can see. There you go. So we got a 2S, a 3S, and a 2S in there. So we'll run first stock setup, everything out of the box, see what we do. Then we'll swap these batteries out, see what speeds we get. Then I'm gonna put my own little touch on it, guys. Give it a nice little, you know, good ride height. You know, I'm gonna mess with it, some shock oils, and I'm not gonna do no custom bits on it or anything. I'm not gonna change any parts on it. I'm simply just gonna adjust the settings and, you know, just make it ride nice, you know, how I'd like it riding, and then go out and do some more runs and see if it's give it a little bit more extra speed. We won't be running the stock battery once we've ran it once. There's just no point. I'll be running these two batteries in it. So we'll get out and we'll do some speed, and but first, before we even do any of that, we're just gonna run it on its normal 2S battery, see how quick it is, see how it handles, how it performs, you know, and just generally have fun with the buggy, and check the temps on it and do the usual stuff. So guys, yeah, this is it. Birmingham GT RCs, the Wltoys 144001. Stay tuned, guys.